The discrete random variable big X has PDF. P of big X equal to small x is equal to K times small x for small x equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and K a constant. Find question I, the value of K. Take solution. We have the PDF. P of x equal to small x is equal to K x, comma, for small x equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We have to find the value of K. We are going to make use of the fact that summation all x of P of big X equal to small x is simply equal to 1. This will give us P of big X equal to 1 plus P of big X equal to 2 plus P of big X equal to 3 plus P of big X equal to 4 plus P of big X equal to 5 to equal to 1. So when X is equal to 1, this will give us K times 1, which is K, plus when X is 2, K times 2 gives us 2K, plus when K is 3, it gives us 3K, when K is 4, 4K, plus when K is 5, 5K, and we equate this to 1. K plus 2K gives us 3K, 3K plus 3K gives us 6K, 6K plus 4K gives us 10K, 10K plus 5K gives us 15K. This will give us 15K to be equal to 1. We are looking for K. The next step, we have to divide both sides by 15. 15K divided by 15 is simply equal to 1 divided by 15. Then our K will simply be 1 on 15. Now we can write down our PDF. This will give us P of x equal to small x to be 1 on 15 x as such, comma, for x equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Move now to question 2I. We have to find P of x greater than or equal to 3. This will simply be equal to, that means we take integer values from 3 right up to 5. P of x equal to 3 plus P of x equal to 4 plus P of x equal to 5. This will simply be equal to, when x is 3, we put 3 here, this will give us 3 on 15, plus when x is 4, 4 on 15, plus when x is 5, 5 on 15. This will be equal to, they have a common denominator, we are simply going to add the numerators. 3 plus 4, it gives us 7. 7 plus 5 gives us 12 on 15. 12 on 15 can be further simplified if we divide both the numerator and denominator by 3. 12 divided by 3 gives us 4. 15 divided by 3 gives us 5. So this will give us 4 on 5. We move now to question 3I. We have to find the expectation of x. The expectation of x is simply equal to, we make use of this formula, take summation all x, we take x times p of big X equal to small x. This will simply give us, we know that x takes values from 1 to 5. We are going to take the first value of x, which is 1. Then we multiply by the probability when x is 1. When x is 1, it gives 1 on 15. Plus the next, when x is 2, times the probability, which is 2 on 15. Plus when x is 3, times the probability, which is 3 on 15. Plus when x is 4, times the probability, which is 4 on 15. Plus when x is 5, times the probability, which is 5 on 15. This will simply be equal to 1 times 1 on 15 remains 1 on 15, plus 2 times 2 on 15 gives us 4 on 15, plus 3 times 3 on 15 gives us 9 on 15, plus 4 times 4 on 15 gives us 16 over 15, plus 5 times 5 on 15, it gives us 25 on 15. You can see, if you perform this multiplication, you're going to obtain this. This will simply be equal to, they have a common denominator of 15. We are going to add the numerators. 1 plus 4 gives us 5. 5 plus 9, it gives us 14. 14 plus 16, it gives us 30. 30 plus 25 gives us 55 on 15. Dividing the numerator and the denominator by 5, this will simply be equal to 11 on 3. If we can express this as a mixed fraction, this will give us, dividing 11 by 3 gives us a whole number part of 3 and a remainder of 2, which is to be divided by 3. Therefore, the mean or the expectation of x is simply 3 and 2/3. Next question, we have to find, for question IV, p of big X less than e of x. This will simply be equal to, we have to find the probability of x less than e of x, which is 3 and 2/3. That means we have to take all the integer values of the outcomes for which they are less than 3 and 2/3. That means we have to take from x equal to 1, so this will equal to p of x equal to 1 plus p of x equal to 2 plus 3 is less than 3 and 2/3 plus p of x equal to 3. We end here because if we take x equal to 4, 4 is greater than this. This will simply be equal to x equal to 1. The probability is simply 1 on 15 plus, for x equal to 2, the probability is simply 2 on 15 plus, for x equal to 3, the probability is simply 3 on 15. This will simply be equal to, adding the numerators, 1 plus 2 gives us 3 plus 3 gives us 6 on 15. Dividing the numerator and the denominator by 3, this will simply be equal to 2 on 5. We underline the answer. We are done with the solution of this question. If in case you have any doubts, feel free to drop your questions at the comment section. Please like the video, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much for watching.